Which of the following is used to iterate over a dictionary's keys? The correct option is option C, dict keys. Dict keys returns a view of the dictionary's keys. What does range 3 generate? The correct option is option B, 0, 1, 2. The range 3 function generates numbers starting from 0 up to, but not including, 3. Which loop is best when you don't know how many times to iterate? The correct option is option B, while loops. While loops are used when the number of iterations is not known in advance. Which is a mutable data type? The correct option is option C, list. Lists are mutable, meaning they can be changed after creation. What does the pass statement do? The correct option is option C, does nothing. The pass statement is a placeholder used when a statement is syntactically required but no action is needed. What is the correct way to access a value in a dictionary? The correct option is option C, dict key. Dictionary values are accessed using their keys in square brackets.